Introducing Smeg's Espresso Machine with Cold Brew. Designed in Italy with Smeg's iconic retro aesthetic, this machine brings professional quality coffee into the heart of your home, with the exciting addition of Cold Brew functionality, allowing you to produce delicious coffee at home, either hot or cold. This versatile coffee machine features 4 coffee functions and a steam function, allowing you to create everything from a bold espresso to silky cappuccinos with ease. It also offers cold brew coffee available at the touch of a button. The machine operates via 2 menus. The white menu provides a single or double espresso, whilst the blue menu offers a single or double cold brew, an ideal solution for a refreshing, smooth coffee served cold. Traditionally, cold brew takes 12 to 24 hours to prepare, requiring long steeping times. However, this machine allows you to enjoy a double cold brew in just 4 minutes or a single in only 2, without compromising on taste or aroma. Included are 4 filters, accommodating both pressurised and non-pressurised brewing. Whether you prefer convenience or complete control over your extraction, this machine adapts to your needs. And with a professional-style 58mm portafilter, you can become a barista in the comfort of your own home. The experience is further enhanced with 4 adjustable coffee temperature settings, along with the ability to customise the water hardness and select your preferred auto shut-off time, either 10, 20 or 30 minutes. Behind the drip tray, you'll find a discreet accessory compartment designed to store your filters, cleaning brush, cleaning needle and water hardness strip, keeping everything organised and close to hand. There's also a QR code located on the base of the machine. Scan this to get helpful hints and tips to help you get the most out of your appliance. Combining elegant design with cutting-edge functionality, the Smeg Espresso Machine with Cold Brew offers a new level of versatility for the modern coffee enthusiast. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel.